Hi everyone, welcome back. We continue on this list and today we are going to learn about minMaxIdx function. This function help us to find the minimum and the maximum pixel values, also their locations inside an image, and this has totally same functionalities with the minMaxLog function which we have learned in the previous video. Just the input parameters they are taking, they are different than each other. We can switch to the code part and understand more clearly. This is this code from the previous video, and we can change this one to the IDX, which we already have a math input image here already we have. And if we switch to the new function, it's gonna give us error because the second parameters is not taking point, is taking integer pointer, so we need to change it. But at the same time, since we need to see the output, maybe we can also make them array in the two sides, because this is gonna give the minimum pixel value point and the other one is gonna give us the maximum pixel values point. So these two is gonna include respectively the x and the y axis, and this gonna also similarly. And okay, after that, this is in the similarly with the minMaxLog function, these are gonna give us the minimum and the maximum value, which is 1 and 9 in our example. And also at the same time, these are we need to specify and 0 and the first index. For example, maybe this one need to give also the second element of an array, so this is gonna be x and this is gonna be y of the minimum value. And similarly we need the maximum pixel value point. Okay, let's see the result. Okay, and the first one is the values, which is respectively 1 and 9, minimum and the maximum value. 0 to 0 is the location of the minimum pixel value, which is the correct one, 0th row and 0th column. And second row and second column is gonna give us the 9, which is the maximum pixel value. For example, if you make here 15 or if you make here 18, so and the minimum value, let's say here 0, so the locations are changing and the results is gonna change accordingly. For example, now the minimum value is 0 and the maximum is 18, and the minimum value location is 1. The minimum one is the first row and the second column, which is the first row, and the second column is this one. And also second row and the first column is gonna give us the 18, which is the maximum value pixel location. Okay, for this video I just wanted to talk about this one. See you in the next videos.